Hey there guys, it's Kim George here from Your Chic Geek. I want to welcome you to this video. So guys, we have to talk. We got to talk here. Just watched this video from the good sis May Arroyo, and she is definitely putting in some really good information that anyone who is publishing books on KDP, or even if you're doing just print-on-demand projects, needs to watch. And so what she's talking about is about how Canva has finally cleared the air on how you should be going about and using their platform for print on demand. And this is for KDP books. This is for t-shirts. This applies to anything print on demand. And it looks like basically that they're not print on demand friendly as I thought that they would be. So I'm not going to get into all of the video that May has put out there. I mean, because she kind of goes down the line with answering a lot of questions. And this is just based on the Canva community, right? So within the Canva community, there was a representative there that worked for Canva that was basically finally putting all of the information out there as it relates to how we are supposed to use Canva for print on demand. Now, what I gotta say is this. I'm a little disappointed that it took Canva this long to come out and clear the air on how the licensing is supposed to be, or their licenses are supposed to be used for print-on-demand projects, you know. And I know there's a lot of video tutorials, mine included, which talk about, you know, using Canva for print-on-demand products and things like that. There were some things that I definitely got right, especially when it came to how you can go and use Creative Fabrica to pull down images and elements and things like that, and using that in your designs. But for some of the other stuff that I've done as it relates to Canva, I definitely have gotten wrong, and I will own up to that. So my biggest takeaway from May's video and how I'm going to be approaching Canva with creating print-on-demand products, specifically for KDP, is going to be as follows. Number one is I'm going to start creating my own images or hiring someone to create them for me. Now, I've been using Midjourney. I do have the commercial package. I understand that there's a lot of people that don't like Midjourney, won't use it, etc., etc. I get you. I totally get you. I do like it. I do love it a lot. And I'm going to use it as if I was using an image from Creative Fabrica, which is by combining other elements to the image, using other graphics for it, things like that. And so that's just that. Now, if it comes to something where I know that I kind of need a more of a super unique design for a specific product that I'm creating, then I will go ahead and hire someone to create that product or create that image for me. And unfortunately, I have someone in the family that is a designer, and so I can hire her to do that. All right. Number two is I will be using and relying on a lot more graphics and things from Creative Fabrica to do designs with. Now, if you do not have an account with Creative Fabrica, I would highly suggest that you consider getting one. Creative Fabrica has a ton of print-on-demand assets that you can use, and you do have commercial license to use these graphics and images from Creative Fabrica. Now, I want to caveat that with saying this. Even if you're using something from Creative Fabrica or any other print-on-demand or print-on-demand friendly website, you want to make sure that whatever image, graphics, things like that that you're pulling down and using from these sites, that you are combining with other elements to make it unique. So Creative Fabrica does have a page that talks about how you can go about using their licenses correctly, and basically, to keep yourself safe from any kind of infringement issues or anything like that. So I'm going to put links below the video where you guys can go and check that out. Make sure you go and read that, because they really give some really great examples on how you can use their images and their commercial licenses the right way. Number three is that I'm still going to be definitely combining other elements together. And this is one of the things that Creative Fabrica does talk about in their licenses. So for example, you can't just go to Creative Fabrica and say, I'm going to create a coloring book, an animal coloring book for kids that just has a dog, right? With dogs, or for dogs, right? And you pull down a dog image. Well, you just can't take that dog image and slap it on a cover and say that it's something unique, because it's not. you're still going to have to find ways to combine other elements into that image, you know, to make your design look super unique. So that's something that you definitely want to note and want to consider, okay? And then number 4 is I'm definitely going to be looking a little bit more into Kittl, and that's Kittl. It looks like that their pricing is pretty on par with, you know, Canva, and they seem to be really affordable. But what I really love about Kittl is that they do seem to be more print on demand friendly. So you see they have like, let's see, they have 4 tiers of pricing. I'm probably going to start doing more videos on how you can use Kittl for designs and things like that. But I'm definitely going to be looking a little bit more into this platform for print on demand designs, because again, they do seem to be a little bit more friendlier when it comes to that. So I just wanted to kind of come here and put this quick video together to tell you guys, for all of you that are doing KDP, print on demand, it doesn't matter, definitely head over and check out May's video, especially if you're using Canva to do your designs. Again, I want everybody, including myself, to all be safe out here when we're doing designs. Have fun as well, but definitely just remain safe and keep your account as safe as possible. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video, share this with you guys. I know it's nothing fancy and what you're used to, but I just want you guys to head over immediately as soon as you can. Check the video out. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on, you know, Canva's design terms and what you're planning to do going forward in your KDP journey and in your print on demand journey to keep things as safe as possible as well. Okay. All right, guys, take care. Stay safe out there. Have fun. And I'll see you guys in the next video.